Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Phonesites, a tool that just arrived on AppSumo and it claims to launch sales funnels and create digital business cards with your phone. I love that tool. I have the highest tier since they launched it, their first time on AppSumo, and I think it's a kind of a gem for leads generation and funnel building. As you can see here in that new deal, if you buy tier 3 or tier 4, you're gonna get a number of cards that you can use it to show your website, your landing page to people, which is pretty cool. It's pretty interesting, that feature that they have. So as you can see here, it's a landing page builder with many kind of integrations. It's really easy to use. You can create the landing page on your mobile, which is really funny to do, really fun to do. And this deal is to buy at least tier 3. If you buy tier 1 or tier 2, you're going to be limited at that number of websites. But if you buy tier 3, you can create unlimited website, and you can, think about how many websites you can create for your clients. So if you buy tier 3, unlimited websites, unlimited AI writer credits, and tier 4, you get more postcard buttons products. What are those postcards? The cards that you're gonna show to people on in your meetings or in your daily life, and it will directly to your landing page. Okay, so it's pretty much useful. I think the tier 3 here has the best value. You get unlimited websites, unlimited AI writer credits. Yes, they have an AI writer inside Phonesites, so it can help you to build your copywriting. I have the license tier 3, and I'm gonna show you how the tool works. So here is the dashboard where you can see the number of leads, your views, your total views, your stats, okay, the number of pages and websites, and also the templates that they have. So here is your dashboard, and everything happens on the left. You can see your websites here, and then all the templates that you can use, and the tools that are the AI writer, the contact link generator, and the pop-up builder that you can create pop-ups to add on your website. Okay, let's take a look at the templates. As you can see here, they have templates for different kinds of business. For instance, press, publishing. You can see here personal blog, corporate blog, personal blog, book authors. Let's take a look at that template. Click here to view. You can see the template here. Become a successful woman in 48 hours. So I'm gonna use that template to get leads, not to buy the book directly. Can you see here? Can buy your book directly using the tool. Here you go to the second page. That's you're gonna show your privacy policy. And here on 3, the thank you for the purchase, and we also give you your company t-shirts. So if people buy the book, will receive the t-shirt. Of course, you can change it. So you can see a funnel with the privacy policy, homepage, and thank you. Let's take a look at another template. Donations templates. We don't have anyone. Consulting. Okay. So free training guides. Let's take a look at that template here. So here you have the get a quote button for the consulting business, some pictures explaining your consulting, and here a button to get a quote. So page 1, the privacy policy as well. Every landing page needs one. And here a thank you. So you can download the training and also getting a quote. So as you can see here, all the websites, they are related to short opt-in funnel, long opt funnel, webinar funnel, survey funnel, landing page, digital business card. Let's take a look at one of the digital business cards. Those are the ones that you can use with the post button. So you're gonna have the card in your wallet, and then you're gonna show to people and will touch their phone number with the card, and they will go directly to your digital business card. Let's take a look at that one. So here, the phone number, call me, text me, phone, email, address, website, the service. You can send info to her. The social media here. On the first page, the privacy policy and the thank you as well. So thanks, name of the person. I'll contact you as soon as possible. Please check your email. Well, you can, create any kind of funnels with Phonesites, and it's pretty easy. I'm gonna show you the builder. I have that webinar landing page here. So here's the first page. It's pretty simple. Just drag and drop and click 2 clicks and you can change, the title. 2 clicks and you change your logo. You can add a link to the logo. So it's all about, click, 2 clicks and add the form. Okay, so it's all around dragging the blocks and creating blocks with the plus button. You can see the settings of your website, and here you're gonna change the title, the description, the page URL if you want. You can add the pictures, everything here for your landing page builder. Your stat, follow up. I'm planning to use it for a lot of cars to try to sell it and get leads. It's pretty cool. You can add custom HTML. Here you can see your leads. Okay, you can see your leads and related to the page. Configurations, it's where you can add your custom domain. So they have unlimited custom domains. You can, add how many custom domain you want. Here are the third-party integrations. They have integration with Zapier, MailChimp, Stripe, so you can sell using Stripe, Google Recaptcha, Twilio, Viber. It would be nice if they create also Public Connect as an integration. Let's take a look at the tool, the AI Writer. So start creating a new project. So AppSumo, create the new project. Then you click here to create a blog idea, Facebook ads for promotion, product descriptions. Let's try that one. Product service name, Phonesites. Phonesites is a landing page builder. I'm gonna say here marketing. So we are giving 20% off. When you click here, generate Facebook ads, you have unlimited prompts, unlimited credits. You can use how many credits you want. They are unlimited. So they will create, okay, build your next fun site with fun sites, save 20% this week only, okay? They will help you to create results to your Facebook ads, okay? So I'm gonna change my project title here to create everything inside one of your project titles. And also create a link to your contact details. You can add our contact here and create a link here. Contact link generator. And also you can create widgets. Okay, widgets for your landing page. A floating button, a timer, haven't tried to scroll depth, show every time, show once a week, and then install the codes. I'm gonna create a widget as well. So that is Phonesites. I think there are a lot of value. Remembering that you can use your mobile to use the builder and create a new landing page really fast. The deal is unique. They have a huge monthly users base. So I think it's an awesome deal and it could be a gem in the future. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.